present here. Welcome to lockdown classes. Today I am going to discuss you and explain you about human heart, why it necessary and what is human heart. This is the diagram of heart. This is the diagram of heart. In heart there are four chambers: left atria, right atria, left ventricle, right ventricle. In heart there are many parts of in heart. I am going to start for here. This is lungs. In lungs, our oxygenated blood comes through in our heart and move out through the part of body parts, venous, vena cava, and it is removed outside of pulmonary artery. In here, oxygenated blood come in our heart and remove deoxygenated blood of outside of our heart. There are many parts of heart in human heart: lungs, pulmonary venous, dorsal aorta, body part, venous, vena cava, pulmonary artery. These are human heart. This is human heart. Now my first question is, what is heart? The heart is an organ that pumping blood throughout the body, the circulatory system, supplying oxygen nutrition to the tissues and removing carbon dioxide and other waste material. Through here, our oxygenated blood in here we take and we are going to remove in through the deoxygenated blood. My second question is, this parts only. The heart contain four inner chamber, two atria, upper chamber carry oxygenated blood, O2. Two ventricle, lower chamber carry deoxygenated blood, CO2. Two upper chamber carry oxygenated blood, lower chamber carry deoxygenated blood. And what is a function of heart? Main question is, what is the function of heart? The function of heart is to transport nutrition, gas and waste product around the body. To transport a nutrition, gas and waste product. In here, to transport nutrition, gas and waste product in our body. Second point is to protect the body from infections and blood loss. To protect the body from infection and blood loss. My third point is to help the body maintain a constant body temperature. My fourth point is to help maintain fluid balance with the body. My third question is, why it is heart important? Why heart is important in our human body? Because the heart is important because it pumps blood around our body, delivering oxygen, nutrition in your cell and removing waste product. In what is heart, here also we have already read it. Oxygen, nutrition to tissues and remove. Answer is also in that types. We're removing waste product, but here there are values between the atria and ventricle that make sure blood flow in our directional through your heart. In this we are the values between atrias and ventricle. My fourth question is, what is causes of heart attack? What causes of heart attack? A heart attack occurs when one or more of your cornea artery become blocked. When our cornea artery become blocked, on that time we will not take oxygen. Over time, cornea artery can narrow from the blood up of various substance. In that time, so we cannot take oxygen and re, uh, re, not take oxygen, not we give any things in our heart and not removing water, sorry, waste product. We don't take oxygen. In that time, our heart attack will become. My fifth question is, what food causes a heart attack? What food causes heart attack? The food causes of heart attack: full fat milk and other dairy products, organ meat such as liver, bacon, hot dog, and fried or breaded meat. This is the causes of heart attack, this food. My sixth question is, which fruit is the best for the heart? Which fruit is the best for the heart is berry, blueberry and blackberries are the great source of vitamin K. Are the great source of vitamin K, which helps to protect your arteries and promote properly of blood clotting. To promote arteria of to property sorry proper blood clotting. Its product blood clotting. My seventh question is, what does the heart do? In our body, what heart do? The heart send blood around our body. The blood provides your body with the oxygen and nutrition it needs. It also carry away waste your heart in short of liver like a pump or two pump in one. My seventh question is, the heart send blood around your body. The blood provides your body with the oxygen and nutrition it need. In our heart, they send blood from one place to another by the oxygenated blood, and it's carry away waste and heart to short like a pump. In heart, one or two pump in 72 in 70 in our heart in 1 second. 72 times pump in our heart. Why it structure and function? Why our heart is structure and functional? The heart is a muscular organ, roughly the size of clothes first. It sits in the chest silently to the left of center. As the heart corrects its pump blood around the body, it carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs where it's loaded up with oxygen and upload carbon dioxide, a waste product of metabolism. We already read it. Oxygenated blood through lungs, pulmonary vessels, and we carry oxygenated blood to upper chamber. We carry oxygenated blood to lower chamber. We carry deoxygenated blood through here. Our oxygenated blood carries here to here to here. In here, our deoxygenated blood go out, and our carbon dioxide, waste product, metabolism, many things in our body. My ninth question is, which side is the heart? In which side is heart is located? In our heart is middle of our chest, in between your right and left lungs. It is, however, tightly silently to the left. Our heart between the right and left side, between the chest located. Not a left side, not a right side. It is between of the chest is located heart in our heart. in our body. My 10th question is, what is the weight of heart? What is the weight of heart? An adult heart of men at the age of 31 to 40 year, 284.7 gram for human at the same age. And normal size of heart is 11.41 centimeter, range 3 to 14 centimeter. Adult human weight is 250 to 350 gram. Human is 284.7 gram. And size of heart is, what is the size of heart is? The normal size of heart is 11.41 centimeter. And what is the range of heart? The range of heart is 3 to 14 centimeter. Our heart is 11.41 centimeter, and the range to remove one place to another place blood removing, it's 3 to 14 centimeter. In 1 minute our heart pump 72 time, 72 or 65 times in 1 second. So this is my all related to human heart questions. Thank you and have a nice day.